how to log into Walmart account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in or sign in to your Walmart account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Walmart and your device. Alright, so after you open the application, you will get such interface. So from here, on the bottom you will get options like sign in. So simply tap on the option sign in. Alright, so from here you'll have to just provide your phone number or email from where that account is created. So simply from here you'll have to just provide your phone number or email. Alright, so after you're done it, tap on continue. Okay, so from here I have not created an account from that Google ID, so in your case you might be finding to enter your password for your Walmart account, and from there you'll have to just enter the password of your Walmart account, and after you type the correct password you can easily log in or sign into your Walmart accounts. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.